Dear friends, welcome to Chef Babu page. Today I have a very traditional recipe, village style country chicken stew and soup. So I am going to show you two preparation from the one dish that is the interesting from this recipe. So we'll get into the recipe. I will show you what are all the ingredients I am going to use, which are salads, tomatoes, country chicken, ginger and garlic and coriander from the masalas, chili powder, turmeric powder and fennel seeds, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, and whole garam masala. So let's start the process. Take a mixie jar, add the ginger garlic and 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn and some cumin and add the curry leaves, add some water and make a paste out of it. Make a fine paste out of it and change into a bowl and keep aside. Next procedure, take a heavy bottom pressure cooker, add the gingerly oil, around 3 tablespoons of gingerly oil. So gingerly oil doesn't have a much fat content. Once the oil has become hot, add the whole garam masala, which is 2 cinnamon, 2 cardamom and 2 clove. Once it's splattered, add the chicken, which is country chicken, around 1 kilo of a chicken I am taking. So make it shear, because this procedure you have to keep your pan very hot, then only the chicken will get shear properly, or else the chicken will start break their tissue, then your gravy will not become a smooth, and then chicken also will not be soft and tender. So once it's seared, then we can add some salt. So this salt will help you to take out the water content from there, and also the meat will absorb the salt. So later stage we will not be worry about why my meat is doesn't have a much of salt, or it contains a very less salt. So add little haldi also inside. So this will give a good color to the dish. So saute for a while. You can notice in this time there is a lot of water content will start lose out from the chicken. So this is very essential to maintain this procedure, then only your gravy will be more flavorful, and also the chicken will be more tender and juicy. So this procedures don't forget to follow while cooking the country chicken. This will be helpful for you. So once it's done, then we can add the paste which we prepared at the initial stage. So add the paste, mix it well. Just gently you mix it. Don't give a much force in that, because if you give much force, the chicken may start break. So that's what, do it gently. So once it's mixed, just for a while you can saute it. Then we can cover with the water. So preferably we like to use it rice water, which is what is meant by that rice water, which is whenever we are soaking the rice, we cleans 1 or 2 times, we wash it in the water. That water we use it, because it naturally present a lot of carbohydrates. So that's what we use it. But in western cuisine they use lot of stock water. So especially in southern cuisine we use this kind of a water while cooking the chicken or vegetables. So this will make our dish thick as well as more healthier. So once the water is filled, just sealed with the lid. So preferably we go for a 4 to 5 whistles, but if you feel the chicken is more tougher, so we can go 7 to 8. It's up to you. Just put that and then leave aside, actually leave aside. So then we'll start the next procedure. So then we'll move on to the next procedures. So take a earthenware, add some gingerly oil, so around 2 tablespoons, allow to become hot. So I'm using a earthenware. Basically it has a lot of medicinal value, and traditionally if you see all the village style cooking, they use earthenware. And then add some fennel seeds, which is very good for digestion as well as flavor. Once it's cracked down, add the shallots. For 1 kilo of chicken, I am going to use 450 grams of shallots, which is already peeled and kept. 450 grams of shallots. which you saute for a while until it become a soft, but don't make it brown, golden brown or a thick brown color. So just it has to be translucent, and then onion should be very soft, because you all aware of that, because anyway I am going to show you this procedures. uh, so this onion is very good for health, as well as it is a lot of medicinal value present. And then for a 1 kilo of a chicken I am adding only 2 tomatoes, which is a medium sized tomatoes. Just saute for a while, don't add too much of tomatoes because the gravy will become a sour. So once just little bit sauteed, so then I am getting the masala powder, which is a Nattu Kozhi masala powder, which is ready made available in the supermarket, but this is homemade, which we prefer. If you want to know about this recipe, please uh, write it in my comment box, I will give you. But side by side I am checking whether my whistle from my pressure cooker is coming. Yes, it's of course in the pressure cooker. From the pressure cooker the whistle is coming out, that is more important. So I am leaving just for 2. So once that masala is added, in case if you don't have that kind of a masala, you can use turmeric powder, chili powder and coriander powder, which is coriander powder 2 and chili powder 1. That is a 2:1 recipe, and some curry leaf for the flavor and some coriander leaves. Once you add the masala, you don't cook for a long time, just for a little while. Just keep aside. Once it cool down, keep aside. Next, you check your pressure cooker. So once the whistle everything calm down, just open the pressure cooker. You can see there is a chicken is cooked properly. So you can see the on top layer is a completely gingerly oil and the fat present in the chicken. Now we can take out the soup. You can side the chicken and take out the soup. This soup will be the very delicious, because those who have a stomach ache, or those who have a any kind of a problem in their stomach, for them you have to give this soup. It's very good for health. Even all age group people, they can drink this soup. So once the onion mixture is cooled down, take a mixie jar and add the onion mixture in the mixie jar with a little bit of water. Make a fine paste out of it. That is very important. So now I am topping up all the onions inside. So once the onion, and I'll cover, and we'll make a fine paste out of it. The paste is ready, so it will be looks brown color. Then take again the earthenware pot, add some oil. So once the oil become hot, add some mustard seeds, around 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Once mustard seeds is cracked, then we can add the, it's cracked down, leave it for some time, because don't make it burn, just do it slowly. And then add some curry leaves. Once the curry leaves also sparked inside, then add the cooked chicken inside. That is a desi murk, this country chicken, hero of the dish. You add it and saute it for a while, and then add the paste which is ready, this onion and tomatoes and chili powder paste. Here I am not going to top up with any kind of a masala, because if you add now any kind of a masala, it will, the raw flavor will not move out from the dish. So if you need more water, you can add it. So if you are cooking for a more people, even you can thicken with the coconut paste also. So leave for 20 minutes. So then it will be boiled, all the raw flavor will move out of the dish. So you can see nice gravy which is ready to serve. Wow, amazing. By the look only you can assume how the food come out tastier way. So I'll show you the plating. In a plate you can keep stew, soup and rice as well. Thank you for watching. I hope all my viewers like my recipe. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Most important thing, don't forget to click the bell button.